Welcome to the Business of Photography Masterclass, a proven pathway to develop a successful business in photography from the ground up. This is the exact same system and model that we use in the running of our business. When we started shooting years ago, we had to navigate our own way through this highly competitive market. We had to piece together our own education, waste money on unnecessary gear, and learn from a lot of mistakes along the way. During that time, we've created a framework for our own team because we believe creativity, like a muscle, can be trained and developed. It's not just something that you're born with, and from that belief, this complete masterclass in photography was born. Now, if you're just starting out in photography or an established professional, I'd ask, give me a few hours of your time. In return, I'm going to show you a proven system to take your photography and business to the next level. This immersive, highly refined educational training workshop consists of ways to grow your reputation in the field, expanding your brand and a reach without breaking the bank. And I'm going to share with you 3 of my secrets that I use in my daily workflow. Now, this isn't your typical free course that comes with your camera or a web event on the internet. We will cover the aspects of planning, shooting, and producing incredible images that your clients will love and recommend. This course is going to provide you with the knowledge and the skills that we desperately need, but that nobody discusses. Now, it's been years that we've made a wonderful living creating images that have meaning and purpose, and I can't begin to describe to you how our lives have changed for the better in creating artwork that's meaningful and cherished by our clients who are happy and honored to pay for our services. Now, with that said, this is not about our journey, it's about yours. We save up and spend on the latest technology and gear, but rarely on the upgrading of our skill sets and knowledge. Now, I believe personal development is what will set you apart and drastically improve your shooting. So if this is something for you, we would love to be a part of getting you to your goals faster and making your journey more rewarding in every possible way. My name is Warren, and I'll see you guys on the 12th of December.